these. Like, I'm already seeing myself repeating myself. These biker shorts, these two biker shorts that I bought Thanksgiving Day during their sale. Hi, my pretties, welcome back to my channel. Probably when this video comes up, I'm either uploading it Friday or Saturday night, but as of right now, this is Tuesday. But yeah, so side note. But yeah, as of yesterday, I got my Black Friday package from Forever 21. Not sponsored by them, but wink wink. Little. But yeah, with the Black Friday deal for Forever 21, I think is pretty much everything was 30% off. Yeah, up to 30% off, and then I don't know about sale, but yeah. So this is the package, as you can see. Well, I'm not showing you the front part because that's the front. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up. If I can. Yeah. Pretty much, I ordered leggings and biker shorts. Because my leggings, my classic black leggings from Forever 21 is starting to get a hole on the thigh. That's a clear sign that they're on their last leg. I just realized what I said. Sorry about that. So yeah. So let's shimmy out my items. It's a really tight pack. So this is the butterfly biker shorts. Yep. It says right here. I'll show you. Right here it says leggings biker, and I don't think they have it like in the actual store, but who knows. So yeah, so this is what they're supposed to look like. They're 3X. Okay, I'm a big girl, but yeah, so looks like stretched enough, and it's like the fabric feels soft, so I won't be irritated when I'm wearing these to bed or to the park or whatnot, or whatever I wear it with. So yeah, and then I also got another pair of biker shorts, but these are tie-dye. So yeah, you can see right here. Let me get it out the light so you can see from here. I don't know if it could be in focus. But yeah, it says legging biker pink multicolor. Alright. I like that, but yeah. That's what it is. And then again, these are 3X. Honestly, I don't think I have a big of a waist, but still, it's just better to make sure it's a bigger size, so in case you put it in the washing machine or the dryer and it accidentally shrinks, it at least will still fit. So yeah, same thing. The fabric is soft, and from the looks of it, it looks breezy. So it'll be like, yeah, breezy. So I can get some nice air, so I won't be hot if I wear these to bed. But yeah, this is nice because I usually am not really into tie-dye kind of outfits, like tie-dye clothing. But if it's just like pink and like purple, those two kind of colors that kind of go, that pretty much go well together for me, yeah, I would definitely wear these. But if it's like, I mean, like the rainbow, you're not gonna catch me wearing a tie dye. Never, ever. So yeah. And then I also got, are these leggings? Yeah, these are just plain burgundy leggings. You can see on the tag here it says 3X. Because I want it plain and then some fun colors, fun designs, you know. I can't even open these bags. What the hell? But yeah. But honestly, I may check out some more Forever 21 things. But yeah, you can see from the difference, the fabric is more thicker, that's for sure. And then like the waistband, let me pull one of my pairs, you can see the difference is the waistband here, the elastic part, this part is much bigger, so it kind of looks like the yoga pant part. While this one is small and like the elastic is, you can feel the elastic. So yeah. But I don't know, I still like these, but I think I like these better because they're more thin and lighter. So I won't feel super hot if I go to sleep with these compared to these. But I think with these I may just wear like under dresses, because I have thunder thighs and my thighs like to chafe. But yeah, it's a nice color. Like I actually like this burgundy kind of wine. Aubergine? Aubergine? Is that how you pronounce it? Probably not, but yeah, that's how we're gonna say it for right now. This color. So yeah. I can already hear fat jokes being like, wow, look at that, it's so big. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I like to eat. And I gotta make sure my clothes fit. But yeah. So these aren't, I'm gonna say, are my favorite, but it's good to have like biker shorts and shorts if I'm going for days. And then I got another pair of black leggings, but from the looks of it, it's not like polyester, like not like, I wouldn't say satin, but yeah, from the face of it, it's definitely just the plain old leggings, but still, it's better than nothing. But this one has like the waist part, like the elastic is thin here, and then the band for the waist is huge. But from the feels of it, it's still, the fabric is still nice and comfortable. I actually like cotton a lot because it's very comfortable and soothing and so much easier to work with than any other fabric, definitely if you're washing clothes. But yeah, I'll show you, I would just showed you guys what my other leggings look like, but they're in the basket, yeah, basket. I can't even get words out right now. Yeah, my basket right now, so I can't even show you. But yeah, I can't really show you guys what it looks like, but this is what it looks like. I would try these on, but I'm just like, ugh, work for that. But yeah, I would say these, I would definitely probably wear it tomorrow for work, because I am not wearing jeans for 5 hours. I'm just wearing some leggings and call it a day. Throw on a graphic t-shirt and my classic denim jacket. Yeah. But honestly, I would say it's a tie between the butterfly biker shorts, because they feel so light and Like, the fabric just feels so damn soft. Like, I can't even explain to you how it feels. It just feels so nice. Like, if I put these on, I might not even take them off. Like, I would literally probably put my jeans over them and go to work wearing these. But yeah, and this one, I like the colors of it, like how it complements each other. And then and the same thing, so freaking soft. Like, Forever 21, they got it in the bag with biker shorts. Like, yeah, with the biker shorts I see at the Forever 21 in the Mall of America. Uh, yeah, not my favorite. Like, they're like leggings that are cut off and trimmed, like above the knees. But yeah, but let's be honest, these biker shorts, I think they're supposed to be shorts, but with me being 5'1", these would be like Bermuda biker shorts. But yes, the fabric feels soft with these. I like how the waistband is much bigger. I don't know what that is, but who cares? Bigger. And then, like, the actual elastic is small. So it's not like this huge thing where it just kind of squeezes my waist. These biker shorts, yeah, I'm not really a fan of, because the waistband is small, and then the elastic goes from hem to hem. And then the fabric doesn't feel as smooth as the other two, but it's still comfortable. Still looks comfortable to wear. And then the leggings here, they feel smooth, but not compared to these. Like, I'm already seeing myself repeating myself. These two biker shorts that I bought Thanksgiving Day during their sale, these are the two I will for sure be wearing to the point that the thigh parts right here will start opening up. The seam of this part starts ripping apart. That's how much I love these. Like, these feel so freaking soft. Like, yeah, I honestly can see myself buying some more of these biker shorts off of Forever 21, or maybe finding some on Amazon as well. But yeah, it's like, and these are so cute because, like, look at the butterflies. It's so cute. And I think there was like if I'm not mistaken, there was a top that matched the matching top for this on Forever 21, but don't quote me on that, because I might be having a Nelson Mandela moment with that. And then this one too, like, I honestly will maybe try to find some more of these biker shorts off of Forever 21, because these, let me tell you, they feel so dang soft. It's like touching a dog, because the fabric for this one is nice. And what is it even? Like, it is 92% polyester and then 8% spandex. Exclusive of the trim. And then what is this one? Like, what is this one? And let's say. It says 95% cotton and 5% spandex. That's why the polyester feels even better. I think I actually like polyester better than the cotton, because something about polyester, I don't even know what it is, but damn, it feels so soft compared to the cotton. Yeah, like, cotton is nice and everything. Like, pretty much all my clothes is either polyester or cotton. But sooner or later, when I get more famous and richer, most of it will probably be satin. But hey, that's a long time from now. Hopefully not too long. But yeah, I like the polyester biker shorts over the cotton biker shorts. So yeah, that is my small Black Friday Forever 21 shopping haul. I hope you guys are enjoying your day, afternoon, or evening. And until then, bye guys, and stay safe and happy holidays.